Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce this line of Turbo V1 tattooing machine. First, overall. The Turbo V1 is the combined effort of both traditional techniques and advanced technologies, resulting in a smoother, more durable machine, simpler to set up, with more choices in deeper configuration without much complicating process. Usually with coin machines, we would either send it back to the production company for calibration and setup, or require a lot of experience and expertise to do it ourselves, which would be inconvenient for a lot of people, as not everyone could afford that. This line would be both simplify and optimize the process. The body frame is whole cast brass with steel components. The motor is Faulhaber's from Germany, famous among most advanced in the world. This motor is particularly suited for Oriental, Japanese styles, neo-old school, linear works, etc. with strong lines. It supports settings for strength and softness that other motors don't. Let's go through the components. RCA connection jack. After consulting with artists in both Vietnam and around the world, we decided for RCA connection jack, simpler and more convenient than the clip cord or traditional or coin machines. 3. Wheel. Calibrating component to set speed fast or slow according to each artist's own style. 4. Stroke setting system, allowing for frequency change from 3.0 to 4.5 mm, controlling the depth of stroke. 5. Lock. The lock would stabilize the settings on optimize. 6. Hardness calibrating gear. Unique to the Turbo V1, its gearbox, our own invention, generates softness or hardness of the stroke. We find this pretty useful in tattooing for its ease of control. We hope that it will be the same for other artists. 7. Reinforcing magnet. It has a tactile function, creating resonant effect thanks to the magnet to help with give without much applying force. 8. Needle holder. Usually the clutter would destabilize the machine, so there are two solutions, either holding the needle with rubber band or with a screw damper. With much in-depth researches, we arrived at this solution, simpler to put on needle. Currently, we provide an exclusive solution for this. Part 2. User Guide. Now for this video, we will begin to take you through the features of the Turbo V1 tattooing machine. The optimized voltage for this line here would be 7 to 9 volts. The Turbo V1 is particularly strong for its kind, so that you would have no problem going from 11 to 18 IL. Its strength allows for the use of larger needles with ease. Despite its strength, it also possesses certain softness in the counterforce. So now, we shall take a quick look at the features of the Turbo V1. First, the wheel nut. The actuator cocks adjusts the speed fast or slow and apply the force directly to the spring to manipulate the machine to the artist's wheel. For example, let's change gear from 4.0 to 3.0 millimeters. First, unscrew this one here. So now you can see the speed is much amplified. 2. The stroke setting gear. Turn the screws up or down to change the stroke from 3.0 millimeters to 4.5 millimeters. If you are satisfied with the result, then seal the screw back to lock this gear. From the sound of the motor, you can feel the softness of the needle motion. 3. Hardness calibrating gear, with contact screw included. The highlight feature of this line here would be its allowing of the artist to cross the changing gears by feel, according to the softness effect and the frequency. Let's do it again. Unscrew this one here. Can you hear the sound will be much different now, right? The applying force will be much softer. You can feel it by your fingertips. This machine's stability is ensured due to its construction. The turning motor is completely secure inside the frame. The motor itself is of Faulhaber's made, from Germany, the best days. 4. Safety lock. What sets this apart from other lines is the safety lock features. Usually, if you over-calibrate the wheel nut, there could be accidents, parts hitting each other too hard for example, ruining the equipment even. No worry about that here. There is a set range of motion of the wheel. After much mechanical difficulties, these features was added to ensure the best of the user safety by yours truly. So by combining these three settings, the artist can achieve the desired effect. The voltage will also play a part, so take notice of that too. When in doubt, there is a built-in default setting features to fall back on. 5. Needle holder tool. Another highlight feature would be the needle holder tool. So instead of using a rubber band, which could destabilize the motion due to the uneven properties in materials, we use the newest innovation to the same effect. It's small in size and designed with ease of use in mind. 6. Auto grips. Usually we could only set the length of the needle with the cartridge needle grip. With this line, you could also do that with traditional long needle thanks to our innovative grip. 7th, needle. There is a much asked question, what kind of needle would be compatible with this line? We usually use cartridge needles together with specialized handle grip, as it's more common and convenient. But there is also the option to use traditional long needle. To achieve the best result, better to choose a harder rubber nut than usual for this. 8. Conclusion. So this machine here is the fruit of our labor for 2 whole years, from conception to finished product. We hope that it will become a favorite companion for artists all around, facilitating your creativity to realize outstanding artworks. Hopefully this video would help informing you to better choose a product that will accompany you on the artistic journey. Thank you and see you next time.